Welcome back to the Pocket Door Workshop. Today we're talking about common mistakes when choosing a pocket door kit. What happens when you choose a kit that is flimsy, has wood slats in it that are going to be twisted and possibly warp and rub on your door? That's one mistake that people pick. How can you fix that? Using our frames, we've got tubular steel posts in our pocket that aren't going to twist, aren't going to bend and rub on your door. You've got room to put electrical outlets inside there. Substantial difference in the quality and construction that we provide on these frames. Something else that you're going to notice on those cheap flimsy frames is if you've got a bathroom wall and you're going to put tile on it, you think it's just too flimsy, my tile is just going to crack and the grout is going to fall out. When you use one of these HD pocket door kits, you can feel confident. You can put your hardy backer on there, mount your tile. These things are going to be sturdy and they're going to stand up to whatever you're going to put up against it. So something else when you're thinking of common mistakes would be a handle choice. There's a lot of different things you can do with handles. You can let the door stick out of the pocket so you can have a handle that anybody can grab. But when you choose the handle that goes on the edge of the door, you really want to be careful because you want something that you're going to be able to grab it and be able to access it from the side. And then also as you take it out of the pocket, you need something that's going to be easy to grab and pull because these things have soft close, soft open. You need to be able to maneuver them with young hands or elderly fingers. You want to be able to use them over time and let everybody be able to open and close them the same way. So keep that in mind when you're picking your handles. You don't want to just go for the cheapo handle because it does have ramifications in how well it's going to work over time. Another mistake that people make when picking their pocket frames is they're trying to use a thick door, 1 3/4 inch, and then they try and put it into a 2x4 wall. A 2x4 wall is going to need an 1 3/8 inch thick door. So you'd either need to go with a 2x6 wall, like our 5500 series, to fit an 1 3/4 inch door, or we actually make a 4000 series where you pad a 2x4 wall out to full 4-inch thick wide wall, and now you can fit that 1 3/4 inch door inside that cavity, and you don't have to worry about if it's a little twisted or warped rubbing inside the pocket. So just a little helpful tip from HD Pocket Doors to keep your doors running smooth. Another common mistake that people make with our pocket frames is sometimes thinking that, hey, I'm just going to adjust this thing once I get it out in the field and make it to fit my application. Our frames are custom made to fit your application, to fit your door size. So once you get this unit, you're going to want to follow the instructions, mount your brackets on top of the door and install it that way. There's going to be no need for modification. Once you start modifying the placement of the hardware inside there, it's going to affect the performance of your door and your warranty. So you don't want to do that. All right, thanks for following along, checking out this video. We'll see you next time here at HD Pocket Doors. Check out our website, hdpocketdoors.com. We'll see you on the next one.